I ordered this little dryer because I live on the 4th floor and trying to do my laundry up and down the stairs has been a nightmare. So I got this little dryer. It's been fantastic. I plugged it in with an extension cord because the cord's not terribly long behind my refrigerator. And then I just unplug it whenever I need it. But as you can tell, it's really quiet. Like I said, live in an apartment, so want to make sure that I don't do anything that disrupts my neighbors. I'm going to go ahead and stop it by opening the door. You can see, like, I've got blankets in there. It's got the little lint trap that's easy. You just yank on this and it pops right out and you can pull all of the lint off. There's also an intake filter. This one just pops right off. And you just push the little button to turn it on. There's several different settings that you can use. It says how long you need, what temperature the dryer is. It's kind of narrow, but I found another little shelf on Amazon to set it up on so that I don't have to bend over to get my laundry out. So far it's been perfect. I do find though that if I wash an entire set of queen sheets, the fitted sheet, the flat sheet,